To complete the fraction bar, take your time and drag these pieces into the boxes. So the background here is one whole. We're always trying to build one whole, and the question is how many parts it is split into. So for example, one whole is an entire bar, but halves are split into two, and thirds are split into three. So you should have three different parts that you can pull into this bar to create the whole, and they're called thirds, so I'm going to look for the number 3. So I have sixths, ninths, fourths, and here are the thirds. And when you grab it, click down with your thumb and then drag with a finger until you get here, and then just try to line it up there with the edge. You do have to have a little bit of patience here to line these up. So I have 1/3 here, but to make a whole, I need 3/3. There we go. And then just keep going. So as you can see, as you split it into more pieces, the pieces get smaller, there are more of them, and it will take a little bit longer to fill them in, but just be patient. And then know that you can always come back to this resource to see it, and you can use it also to see the relative sizes of the fractions. So I can see, for example, that 1/4 is smaller than 1/3. And I can see that 1/3 is smaller than 1/2. I can also see that 2/3 together goes all the way out to here, and that's bigger than 1/2. So this is a page that you can always come back to see how different pieces compare to each other. And you can pick them up and place them like that to see how they look when they're placed next to each other.